Hello ladies and gentlemen, welcome to another perfume review video. My name is Naz. This is my channel Toiletterian. I try to bring to your attention fragrances that are usually very good value for money. They are usually hidden gems. Not many people talk about them. I think at least you should do your research, try them for yourself and see if they're any good to you. So today I have another unboxing and first impression plus an update for you. And this update is for Lambretta Uomo number 2. Pour on Uomo number 2. It's a big name, but let's put it that way. And it is in the description anyway. This one, it surprised me because it was under £20 for 100 ml de Perfume, and I thought it's going to be one of those freshies that non-statement, doesn't last that long, and basically dismiss it. But no, it wasn't. First thing first, it lasted a very good time on me. In terms of longevity, 6 to 8 hours on the skin. If you put it on t-shirt, it goes up to 10 to 12 hours, which is very respectable, very good for such a cheapie. In terms of projection, for first 2 hours is very loud, and then slowly will subside. But you get a room filler, a house filler for the first 2 hours, which is again surprisingly very good. And in terms of sillage, is very good. Big sillage, big bubble around you. So wow, that is a very good performer for under £20. That is amazing. And in terms of smell, Mamma mia, beautiful. It's just, it opens up very citrusy and very tarty, and plus the fruits, citrus and the tartiness is huge in the beginning. So this is how it opens, and also it's got tiny bit of cinnamon, which makes it quite interesting because this one is quite close to Creed Aventis. Yes, it's one of those that you think, okay, this is a copy, inspiration, whatever you want to call it, but there's a twist to it, and the twist is they put their own like signature on it, and that signature is a super tarty in the beginning, plus that little bit of balsamic feel, plus that cinnamon, tiny bit of spiciness in the beginning, which is quite distinguishable, but it's not a huge player, okay? But what a beautiful smell, gorgeous. And also the woody aspect of it is quite, and the birch is there, the vanilla is there, there's a big lavender, there's a rose, there's a big not big smoke, but quite a smoky, not, the smoke is quite minimum here, okay? So this one is all about fruits, and it's about the tartiness, and it's about the aromaticness, okay? So the smoke is almost is in the background, and you won't notice it that much unless your nose is sensitive to smoke. Almost you know and smell it. Good performer, good smell. This one is universal, anybody can rock it. It just puts a smile on my face, you know, when I smell it. Even the wifey loved it, you know. She's when I put on yesterday, she was, wow, what is this? It smells so good. And usually with Creed Aventis copies, she recognized them. So, oh, and is that another Creed Aventis? He said yes. But with this one, she said, oh, it's a bit different. So you can tell that overall, I'm very happy with it. I highly recommend it. If you can find it under £20, it's very good for that money. Performs well, smells good. You get about 80 to 90% Creed Aventis plus 10% on top, their own signature on it, which is huge tartiness in the beginning, almost goes into the balsamic side of things, and a little bit of spicy undertone, which is like a cinnamon, okay? But it's not a huge one, it's not huge, but you can notice it, so that makes it a tiny bit different. Overall, highly recommend it if you can find it for a good price. In the UK you can find it under, I think, £20, and in the European countries I think it is under $30 or €30 or something like that. For that price is a yes for me. I really enjoyed it. goodness me, I put it on t-shirt yesterday in the afternoon, and the next day I can smell it. So you will stay on the t-shirt for a very long time, more than 10 to 12 hours. So that was a very nice surprise. I really like it, and I think if you like the DNA of Creative Entis and you like it with a little bit of twist, you will love this one as well. Okay guys, let's go to the next one, and this is today's unboxing and first impression, and this is the house or the brand of Dunhill. Dunhill brand doesn't need introduction. They have been around for a very long time, and they usually have a very good lineup. They have a very cheap lineup, and then medium lineup, and then a very quite luxury lineup. This one is on the cheaper side of things, but I heard good things about it, so I had to get it. And also it's becoming hard to find. I'm not sure if it's been discontinued or not. So if you see it, if you let's see how it smells first, but let's see, let's go with the unboxing. So the nice box, nothing special about it, but always the presentation with Dunhill are good. Sorry about the noise. Okay, so blue bottle with these dots on, and it says Dunhill London X-Centric, so X-Centric, and this is edited 1200 ml, and the bottle is X-Centric. Not very well, quite a strange bottle. Okay, so light blue color, very simple, generic almost bottle, but the light effect, it makes it quite interesting. Wow, it's quite interesting. Anyway, so let's go with the atomizer. Here we go. Very good atomizer. Okay, so this is Dunhill X-Centric, edited 1200 ml. This one you can find under £30, but as I said, it's getting harder to find. So let's see how it smells. Here we go. First impression, first sniff. Okay, so very fresh. So the first thing hits you is a tiny bit of spiciness right now. Yeah, citrus, aromatic, big lavender. What's that I smell? So floral in the background. I think it's geranium. Gives it a tiny bit of minty feel to it. Yeah, it's like a geranium. And it's got a woody backbone, the wood, and also it's this little muskiness to it. So overall it's fresh. So it's a fresh citrus, floral, aromatic, woody, and also a tiny bit of spicy underline. But it's one of those smells that you think, okay, I smelled this many times before. It's nothing new. The only thing is with House of Dunhill, they do their fragrances proper. So the structure of the perfume is quite nice. It's nothing shouting out. It's quite a good blend, and the quality is quite nice as well. Yeah, but quite generic. Okay, quite generic in terms of fresh smell. Okay, fresh, summery, little bit of spice, little bit of fruitiness, little bit of citrus, and big lavender, quite geranium most likely, and also woody backbone plus the musk. Okay, but it is very nice. If you like Dom Reach, if you like easygoing fragrances, if you want something in the summer, you don't think about it, this is it. Just put it on and go, and it just covers you because it smells good, smells very fresh, it smells very uplifting, it smells very, it's quite gentlemanly as well, but it is quite aquatic as well. Aquaticness is like a watery aspect to it, but at the moment it's not much sold, so you might change later on. Yeah, but definitely aquatic. So overall, quite a nice fragrance, but again, it's done before, nothing new and nothing to blow your socks off, okay? Nothing special about it, but it's one of those that don't reach, easygoing, just casual, put it on, go out, not even care or think for a second, okay? For that, it's quite good. Let's see what's the longevity and the performance is. If it's a good longevity and performance, then it's worth the price tag, because as I said, Dunhill they usually do their fragrances quite nice. And I'll tell you these things in the next video, the performance, the longevity, and if there's any changes. But for now, it's quite nice and I like it. Alright guys, thank you very much for joining me. As always, if you find my videos useful, informative, hit that bell button and for future videos, and share this video with others. And please give me a thumbs up, subscribe. 90% of people who watch my videos, they're not subscribed, which is it's a tragic. So even a fraction of the people who watch my videos subscribe to me, by now I should have had that like 20,000-30,000 subscribers. But for some reason they didn't, or they don't. But please, it won't cost you anything, but you show me love, you show me support, and you keep encouraging me to do a video like this, to bring you fragrances that are usually on the radar, usually good value for money, usually they smell good and they perform quite well, like these two for example. So please support me that way. Thank you very much, and I see you later guys. Bye bye bye.